Hi friends! You're on Miss Binary Trading Channel, where we break down the best strategies for binary options and learn how to trade on the Pocket Option platform. In this video, I'll show you a simple yet effective scalping strategy. No fluff, just practice and step-by-step rules for entering a trade. So we need 3 indicators. First one, simple moving average, SMA, with period 10. It shows us the main market direction. Remember, this strategy only works when the market is trending, at least 15 to 25 points range. If it's flat, we don't trade. Next one, RSI oscillator with period 14, and don't forget to add level 50. It tells us when the market is overbought or oversold, so we don't jump in at the wrong moment. And the third one, classic MACD with settings 12, 26, 9. This one is our extra filter to confirm the entry signal. All set? Great! Let's move to trading. RSI drops down through 70, and I open my first $10 trade down, without waiting for the extra signal. While it's running, let me quickly explain the rules. Open a buy trade if RSI crosses the 50 level upwards, MACD crosses 0 from bottom to top, or turns upwards. Price is above SMA 10, and vfxAlert shows up forecast. Open a sell trade if RSI drops down through 70 and 50, MACD crosses 0 from top to bottom, or the histogram starts falling. Price is below SMA 10, and vfxAlert shows down forecast. Now let's check the conditions for the next entry. Signal shows up. RSI crosses 50 upwards. MACD is below 0 but moving up. Everything says it's time to open a buy trade. I'll speed up the video in editing so you don't waste time. But if you want to trade with me live, write it in the comments and I'll organize a stream. The trade is closed, and now I wait for the next setup. Sometimes after a strong trend, RSI can hang around for a while. My advice, be patient and wait for the perfect entry point. Now the setup is perfect for a sell trade. Let's open it. And then, by the same rules, I open one more trade. Let's take a look at the history of this trading session. This strategy is quite accurate and profitable. Usually, I always confirm my entries with vfxAlert signals. But today, I sometimes skip them because I wanted to show you the strategy itself, not just make profit. The more tools a trader has for forecasting, the more successful they'll be. vfxAlert signals are up to 95% accurate. Well, thank you for watching till the end. All the links and promo codes for discounts are in the description below this video.